Hi, this is Chris from Spreadsheet.com. Today I'm going to show you how to alter cell padding in Google Sheets. First thing we're going to do is select all those cells with data that you want to change the cell padding on, and make sure that your text wrapping is set on either overflow or clip and not on the right. Then optional steps, you can change the alignment to in the middle and the horizontal alignment to center. Then simply select the row headers, right click, click on resize rows, and change it to whatever you want it to be. You also do the same for the column headers. You can also add padding using the format menu. So just select the border again, or select all of the cells by clicking that very square. Or format, number, also number format. Add some spaces. Let's say 10. That symbol, and we'll make sure you have the amount of spaces on the other side. Click apply.